Pratyusha. I came from Kochi. Here at CSI, I did 2 weeks training program. In this program, I got much more experience on each and every department of embryology lab. Mostly 300 oocytes, animal oocytes I screened, and I did the denudation procedure, vitrification procedures, and at last I did my ICSI procedures also. And I got all the training from andrology lab also. And I'm very happy and satisfied with these training sections. And a lot of thanks to Dr. Thomas sir and Dr. Krishna sir and the staffs who helped me in all the training sections. Thank you.